And today I think I'm just gonna be doing handheld freestyle raw video. The primary reason is because I am sick. You can see my voice has changed a lot. I am sick and I really can't do video editing and all those hard stuff right now, so this is the best thing that you can guys have for this one. So today I'm gonna be looking or reviewing at the Maxtil Tron G400. I think that's the right name. So it is actually called the Tron G400K mechanical gaming keyboard. So this is from Korean brand and it is very cheap. I got it for less than $50 US, making it one of the cheapest mechanical keyboards that you can buy right now. As you can see over here, the color scheme is different. All of this place right over here is a color scheme that I bought for myself. The real one comes out like these ones right over here. So it's like it is backlit, so it has a translucent like thing over here, so it's bright and stuff like that. But I didn't really like the feeling of the switches over here, the keyboards over here, so I haven't switched to my personal favorite. I bought it for about $30 US, the whole switch itself, and it feels very good. I love this thing. But feelings aside, I want to show you something really cool. For less than $50, right? For less than $50, you're getting a perfect switches over here. Less than $50. I can't, with backlit, and it feels sturdy. It's made out of, some parts are made of plastic, but some other parts are made of aluminum, which feels very nice in your hand. So the first thing that when I opened it astonished me was the fact that it was in braided cables. You see over here, it's in braided cables. So it feels really nice. It matches the color scheme over here. The other thing was this red accent over here, and the red accents over here was beautiful. It was astonishing to have this subtle but like a gaming look, but it's not really like, oh my god, this is a gaming keyboard, but it's like a subtle gaming features that you have over here. So a lot of people I think will find in love with this keyboard right now because of the fact that it is so versatile. If you move around the back, you're gonna see two of these feet right over here. These feet, okay, these feet raise the keyboard a lot. It's it feels very good. On this, the rubbers are very grippy. If you see over here, the rubbers itself, it's like really, I really need to push hard, and then it goes. So like, it's really grippy. You hear the sound, right? It's really grippy. So I really love this keyboard. Another part of this is the fact that it has this the key switch over here that is included inside, so it fits snugly here, so you won't lose it. So it works perfectly fine, and it's really good. So thumbs up for that, guys. And I wanted to show you the fact that these are all actually cherry blue switches. Cherry blues. I love cherry blues because of the fact that it has more feedback and it is more tactile. I love the sound that it makes when you type. I just love that typing sound. So these are all cherry MX blues, and I checked them out. It is actually a very nice thing to have. It's all cherry blues, you see. It's all cherry blues. And it feels really nice. I guarantee that everyone is gonna like it. one problem that I found was when it's backlit, it won't backlit the whole thing. So what I mean by that, it will only backlit these areas. So the where it says like delete, these are translucent, right? So it will only affect this area. It won't affect like other areas such as like these areas. So it's quite, you have to memorize some parts. So you have to memorize these function keys, what they do and stuff like. And what I really disliked about this is if you're gonna have a function key, you have the primary thing for a function key to have is to use the media functions, these kind of stuff. So why would you not like have this thing also backlit? I mean, I don't really get that part, but that's what it did. So I think for $50, I can't complain, but still there's some things that you have to work with. But still, it is still a very good keyboard to have. Feels nice, and I think most of you guys are gonna love this keyboard. So guys, this was Maxtil's Tron G400K mechanical gaming keyboard review. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let's get it going, guys.